డాక్టర్ గారు, ఈ మధ్య కాలంలో న్యాచురల్ ఫ్రూట్స్ కన్నా షాపుల్లో దొరికే ప్యాకేజీ ఫ్రూట్స్ ఎంతో ఇష్టంగా తాగుతుంటారు. వీటి వల్ల ఎంతవరకు ప్రయోజనం కలుగుతుందంటారు? వాటిపై మీ సలహా ఏమిటి? వీటి వల్ల ఏమైనా సైడ్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ ఉంటాయా? కాస్త తెలపండి.
See, we have definitely come far from what it was long back because everybody's innovating the way of packaging and how to preserve whatever it is that they're putting into those packages. So preservatives definitely use outunai. See, even a simple orange juice, you keep it outside for 2 days. Definitely meeku telustundi amount of rancidity, acidity avi anni ela vastunayi. So there is some amount of preservative that is definitely going into that juice. So you cannot say it is equal to having a fresh fruit juice for sure. But that said, there are certain brands which are giving you bottled juices, but they clearly tell you it will stay only for 3 days, and they clearly mention how you should be keeping it in the house, not outside, at what temperature in the fridge, avi anni cheptunnaru. So there is a choice for you right now. Definitely the ones that are packaged and who say 6 months daka meeru use cheyochu అని చెప్పేవాళ్ళు definitely preservatives ఉన్నాయి. And along with that fruit, there's a lot of sugar that goes in. Sugar is also a type of preservative for such things. ఇప్పుడు మీరు jams అవి అన్ని చూడండి, what is preserving the jam? It's the amount of the sugar and everything on the vinegar, sugar అవి అన్ని. So even in these juices, there's a large amount of sugar that is going into the fruit. Very rarely you will find the ones that you have for 6 months duration daaka me teeskochuntidi, you will not find anything that says no sugar. Even if they say no sugar, you will see at the back there will be some amount of sugar substitute that has been mentioned. So annitki a nutrition label okati chadukodam chaala important. Yeah.
Okay. డాక్టర్ గారు, కొంతమంది హెల్తీ ఫుడ్ తీసుకోవాలని అనుకుంటుంటారు, కానీ ఈ ఉరుకుల పరుగుల జీవితంలో వారు మేనేజ్ చేసుకోలేకపోతుంటారు. అలాంటి వారి కోసం మీరు ఎలాంటి సలహాలు ఇస్తారు?
So it's just a matter of organizing yourself. So when we do nutrition assessments, we understand total lifestyle ela jarugutundi. There are some of us who are working nights, there are some of us who are working daytime. So depending on your timing and your lifestyle, you have to plan your food according to your timings. Ippudu chaala mandi the mistake they are making is they listen to their friends, they listen to their neighbors, నేను ఎలాంటి డయట్ ఫాలో అవుతున్నాను మీరు కూడా ఫాలో అవ్వండి, ఇది చేస్తేనే మీరు హెల్తీగా ఉంటారు అని. దెర్ ఈస్ నో హార్డ్ అండ్ ఫాస్ట్ థింగ్ లైక్ దట్. మీరు మీ లైఫ్ స్టైల్కి కస్టమైజ్ చేసుకుంటే ఎనీథింగ్ ఈజ్ పాసిబుల్. Yeah. So when you say healthy food, I don't have to always run, like you said, only fresh fruit juice tagali ani ledhu kada. There are so many other ways in which I can include vitamins and minerals. I told you dry fruits are also there. So you just have to pick it up and you have to organize yourself. Like I tell people who are really busy and sometimes they have long meal gaps because meeting lo kuchuntaru, aa meeting eppudu finish avutundo telidu. Until it is finished you can't go and eat your meal, but in your mind you keep telling yourself I want to eat my meals on time. But let's be practical. So what I tell them is carry a small packet of konni dry fruits, seeds and nuts anni pettukoni oka 100 grams packet purse lo gaani aa bag lo gaani pettukondi. Whenever you know that your next meal is going to be delayed, before you go into that meeting, just eat a little bit of that and go in. So those nutrients keep you full till that next meal. So our next meal you will not gorge and eat so much. Overeating undadu. So small little ways are there in how you can organize yourself and use the weekends to organize yourself. Second thing, for women specifically, I will tell you, don't beat yourself up to do everything on your own. I take the help of my children to plan the menu of the house. Entakante vaal tinnali. When they eat, you are at peace. So what I tell them is Saturday or Sunday, I make them sit down 5 minutes padutundi. I tell them, okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, breakfast, lunch, dinner, em kavali. Note down cheskuntaru. If they've added too much of junk food, I give them alternatives and say, okay, neeku idi kavala, I will make the cutlet at home. I won't give you a burger patty. I will make the burger at home and put it on normal, brown bread or something. Are you okay with that, auntie? So those kind of negotiations. So for women, what I would suggest is please take the help of your family. మీరు ఒక్కరే అన్నీ చేయాలని ఎవ్వరు చెప్పలేదు. ప్లీజ్ టేక్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ ఫ్యామిలీ, డివైడ్ ద వర్క్ సమ్ టైమ్స్. దట్ వే ఈవెన్ యువర్ చిల్డ్రన్ విల్ లెర్న్ హౌ టు మేనేజ్. Yeah, so the mistake most of us make is we take everything on ourselves. So adi koncham divide cheskunte definitely you will be able to follow a healthy regime.